There is new support coming in DuPage County for people who are battling mental health issues and substance abuse.
The new crisis recovery center is believed to be the first of its kind in the state, providing services for both children and adults. Here's NBC5's Nguyen with a look at the center in Wheaton and what it will mean for this community.
We have 7 triage rooms, 5 for any families coming in the front door, and 2 dedicated to that first responder secure handoff.
For the first time, we're getting a tour of the new Crisis Recovery Center in DuPage County.
Here over to the left is what we call the sobering spaces. So there's 5 sobering spaces.
The executive director of the DuPage County Health Department walking us through the new center that has been years in the making.
It feels a bit surreal in some ways, but we're very excited to bring this to our community, and we're ready.
He says the new facility will be staffed with crisis counselors, case managers, psychiatrists, and nurse practitioners, all helping to provide care and immediate support for both children and adults struggling with mental health and substance use crisis.
Either way, however you come to us, you're going to get the appropriate level of care. You're going to have a triage, an assessment, and evaluation to kind of get our counselors understanding what is going on with you and what your level of need is, and then we figure out what's next.
Services will be provided around the clock, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. This is one of the units here for mental health services for adults. DuPage County leaders say they want to make sure that behavioral health care is accessible to everyone in the community without the stigma and delay.
We understand that mental health and addiction are diseases. They're not crimes. People don't belong in jails that are struggling with their mental health.
Officials say those seeking help will be screened and assessed on site for services or directed to longer-term care.
We hope that this is a model that others will look at all across the country, because when we have this piece of mental health and addiction, this piece of the continuum of care that's missing, it will change so much for the future of all of our children and all of us. In DuPage, we understand it's okay to not be okay. It's just not okay to have nowhere to go.
In Wheaton, V1, NBC5 News.
Our thanks to V.